The newest addition to the wind whistling clan is the Daniel whistle. You can watch a YouTube video about the legacy of this whistle because these Aztec whistling vessels began with a conversation I had with his uncle Gregorio, who made us whistles for several years. And then he passed during COVID. God, God bless him. His brother took over, and unfortunately, his brother passed away. And now the son is carrying on this ancient art of making whistling tools, whistling vessels. And so here is the new Daniel whistle, and it's available over at thepracticalshaman.com/store. And this is what it sounds like. This one has a big belly, holds lots of air, and it gives me the shivers. So perhaps this is your wind whistling tool. All right. And if you're interested in knowing more about wind work, go over to the Wind Clan on Facebook and join the group of Windies.